Can't get enough of Reese's peanut butter cups. And if you like monkey bread, then you're gonna love this monkey bread because it's stuffed full of Reese's peanut butter cups. I'm talking about Reese's peanut butter cup monkey bread. Let's go. Let's start out with 2 cans of jumbo biscuits. Take each biscuit and we're gonna cut it in half. Half of that biscuit and kind of flatten it out. Grab a Reese's mini peanut butter cup, put it in the middle and wrap the dough around it. Squeeze it together and into a greased bun pan. And that's what it's going to look like. Take a 1/2 cup of melted butter and add to it a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and whisk that together. And now we're going to drizzle that over Flavor Flex peanut butter buttercream that I thinned out with a little bit of milk, and we're going to drizzle that on top. Peanut butter cups chopped up on top. Oh, wow. If there's anything better than that, I ain't had it. Wow, you just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!